That's what's left of the grille. Hi folks, thanks for joining me. First few seconds of the video, I was just showing some of the grille area, the old wood veneer and plywood substrate rotted out. Same issue down here on the bottom that I still need to repair as well. You can see the grille area that I cut out looks rough right now, but I'll clean that up. Some sanding and filing by hand, just using my Rockwell saw. Took a high resolution photo and just attached that down to some basswood and cut that out. I'll use some wood epoxy and get that back in, and then put some filler in, sand it flat. And I'm going to strip the top, see if that veneer can be saved, and I'll probably just re-veneer over the top of the existing veneer if I don't have any big bubbles in the veneer itself. I think I can make that work, or I'll attempt to. So no guarantees how this will turn out. Just wanted to share real quick where I'm at. Again, I'll get the old paper backing off. I'll sand everything flat, use some wood epoxy, get this back in. Strip the top with some lacquer thinner and just see if that veneer can be salvaged, or is it going to be a total re-veneer. I've got some inlay down here as well to try to reproduce if I take those steps. Anyway, that's where I'm at for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Everyone out there, take care. Stay well.